What is considered a traumatic brain injury? So, first of all, a traumatic brain injury is considered any form of head trauma that results in disrupted brain function. And that's according to the CDC, or the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. This could include direct trauma, such as a blow to the head, indirect trauma, which may involve a jolt to the body, or when you're involved in an auto collision, you move forward, you move backward. There are ways for you to actually have a concussion, which is considered a traumatic brain injury. Now, these traumatic brain injuries could be mild or severe in nature, ranging from minor concussions all the way to comas. In some cases, traumatic brain injuries are caused by negligence. If this is the case for you, you may want to give us a call to see if we can recover your costs for your medical treatment and potentially other losses. So, first off, if this is involved with an auto accident, it's best that you call an attorney as soon as possible and make sure that you see somebody at the traumatic brain injury clinic. There's actually a clinic that's hosted at OSU, which is a really great job at treating concussions and treating traumatic brain injuries. So traumatic brain injuries can happen in almost any location, from shopping centers to private homes to sporting events. Some accidents are just that, purely accidents. However, some brain injuries are a direct result from recklessness, carelessness, or inaction in the face of a hazard. Some of these common occurrences can be car accidents, as we discussed before, truck accidents, bicycle accidents, assault and batteries, construction site accidents. All of these end up being far too common causes of traumatic brain injury, according to the CDC. And how a concussion occurs is upon impact. The forces exerted on a person's body can cause the head to snap back and forth, or as we've talked before in one of my other videos, that's technically called whiplash. And it causes the head to collide with hard surfaces within the car. It could be with the airbag that deploys. It could be with your steering wheel. It could be with the back headrest of your vehicle. According to the Mayo Clinic, a victim can experience a range of symptoms due to a traumatic brain injury, and depending on whether the injury is mild or severe. If you have any of these symptoms after a car accident, you definitely need to make sure you get checked out. They can be issues with sleep, blurred vision, an unusual taste in the mouth, ringing in the ears, sensitivity to light or sound, mood changes, headaches, concentration problems, and balance issues. Severe traumatic brain injuries can also cause extreme confusion, slurred speech, significant disruptions in consciousness, persistent headaches, or even an inability to wake from sleep. After experiencing a traumatic brain injury, you could deal with some of these long-term symptoms, which is why it is very important to go seek medical treatment as soon as possible. A traumatic brain injury can also affect a victim emotionally and socially as well, not being able to be out with your friends or with your family. And when thinking about these long-term consequences, some of them could require physical therapy, speech therapy, and some other forms of therapy. So if you've been involved in a car accident and you've gone to the ER and you believe and the doctor has told you you might be suffering from concussion symptoms or from post-concussion symptoms, and you are looking for some advice, give Breastman Law a call at 614-538-1116, or you can always email me at Jedidiah@breastmanlaw.com.